Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a quick, simple look. As you can see here, I one curled my hair and it came up pretty cute. This is just something really quick that I wanted to do for you guys. If you guys like this cute little onesie that I'm wearing, you can also get this from the Embrace collection. I'll put that link in the description bar below, along with this different lip gloss that I'm wearing, which is golden. Super cute. It's pretty much lip gloss with gold, shimmery, bronzy glitters in there. It's the truth, you can see. So just stay tuned and continue watching and see how I put this together. Hey guys, so my brows was done off camera and my eyelids are already primed, so we're going to go in with our Revolution palette with this light gray color and this dark gray, okay? And they're both shimmery shades. So we're going to take the dark gray color and go on the outer corner of our eye, and we're going to take that into the crease as well. Now we're going to go in with the light gray color and just add that to the front of the eyelid and a little bit along the middle to blend it in. Now I'm just going to use this brush to blend out the edges to give it a flawless look. So using this purple metallic eyeliner, I'm just going to go right underneath my eyes and line that bad boy out. Now I'm going to take my e.l.f. color correct and just correct underneath of these eyes because they're a little dark, baby, and she don't want that. And I'm going to go around my mouth area because that's also a little dark. And then we're just going to take our blending sponge and just blend it all out and move right along. foundation in the color Amber, and we're just going going to apply that on the face. I already primed my face off camera when I did my brows with the Tarte Smoothing Primer. Now I'm going to take my kabuki brush and spray it with my Urban Decay setting spray. And then I'm going to just start pressing that foundation into my skin to blend it out. Light cream concealer that I got from my local beauty supply store because they was all out of LA Pro, so this was like the next best thing. Anyway, I'm just gonna go underneath, highlight under my eyes, down my nose brim, my forehead area, my little chinny chin chin, just to open those areas of my face when the light hit it. Take our stippling brush and spray it with our setting spray and just start pressing it into our skin to blend it out, ladies. Remember, press, press, press. Using a translucent setting powder, I'm just going to set underneath of my eyes, my forehead area, and down my nose brim. And I'm just going to take my brush and press it into the skin. I do not bake, ladies. I love a cream contour, and I'm going to use this by Ruby Kisses. I got it from my local beauty supply store, and it definitely does its job. So anyway, I'm going to highlight down my nose brim, on the sides, around my forehead area, along my cheekbones, on my jawline. You know, got to give me that chisel look, you know. Got to snatch this face, honey. take my Black Radiance contour palette, which is powder, and I'm just going to use the dark shade to set the cream contour that I just applied on my face. And then once that's done, we're going to blend, blend, blend. Just keep blending, just keep blending, blend, blend, blend. Okay? Okay, so I felt like I applied way too much of my bronzer, so I'm just gonna keep blending it in, and I'm gonna go back in with my kabuki brush that I used to blend my foundation, just to blend that out a little bit more. Using my Black Radiance blush is a mauve plum shade, and it is super cute. Like, I'm a huge blush wearer. But anyway, I'm just going to apply some along my cheeks to give this look a beautiful pop, you know? And I'm going to just lay it on there as much as I like. And I like a lot. Okay, using my Revolutions highlight palette, I'm going to take the purple shimmery shade and just highlight along my cheekbones and down my nose brim. Setting powder underneath of our contour line, just to give it a crisp look and make it pop a little more. Once that's done, we're going to take our brush and blend it out. To open them eyes. Now we're going to add our lippy to give this look its finishing touches. Take out our hair clips, shake down them curls, and we're done, ladies. We did that. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. You know, I'm out over here. Till next time.